These days there are people that are constantly rushing in life burdened by tension and great stress. Everybody deserves to relax, because we know it is very good for our health and well-being. To go to the spa is not the only way to get the complete relax mode on. As an alternative, you can bring the spa experience to your home, just with the help of one herb, the bay leaf. This very cheap, common herb, which is native to the Mediterranean, and it can help you to relieve stress and tension in not more than 5 minutes. Gennady Malakov is a scientist from Russia who found that bay leaf has an amazing effect for reducing the stress. Also, bay leaves are very often used in cooking. Due to their distinctive flavor and fragrance, they have been used medicinally for many years in aromatherapy and for herbal treatments for various respiratory and skin conditions. One of the least universally known benefits of the bay leaves is their naturally soothing quality. Too much stress hormones can be very dangerous for long-term health. Therefore, bay leaves can help you to calm down and to remain relaxed even in the most high-anxiety moments. All you need to do is to burn one dry bay leaf in an ashtray and go out of the room for around 10 minutes. When you come back, you are going to notice an entirely different atmosphere, and you are going to smell the pleasant, relaxing smoke. The flames of the bay leaf will release substances that can enhance the atmosphere and create very positive energy flow. You just need to breathe in deeply and let the smell calm your entire body and soul.
If you